ORCL has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term neutral to bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping upwards, but it's just at this tip here, it's just neutral with a bullish bias. So this is Wednesday, the 26th of November 2025, pre-market session. The stock is up 2.25%. So far, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape. So far, around 1% of its average volume. It's not out of place. The market hasn't opened yet. Volatility is expected to open, so increase in the coming days, and it's trading at a premium to its volume weighted average price in the very short term. In the very short term, based on its options grid, based on its Friday the 28th of November option series, the options traders are slightly bearish. Okay. If we come back to trading view, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that today it might weaken. It might weaken even though it's up so far. So this might the extrapolation for today may be wrong, but it's saying that Friday the 28th, there's the market's close on tomorrow the 27th. From Friday the 28th, it's expected to bounce and expected to hold it up till the 12th of December. Then after that, the downtrend may resume thereafter. Okay, it has a pivotal projection of 228.35. It's If it closes above that, based on this extrapolation, it might go ahead and probably test 240.81. Just below that projection, it also had a rejection there as well. So it has two supports around there, so they are pretty much the same thing. It actually did its job. It did that. This pivotal projection actually did its job on the 19th of November. It couldn't close above it, and then look at what we're looking at now. You see what we're facing now. We got a rejection, and it has gone to test. It has gone to close below its 200-day moving average. So it seems to be working. If it manages to reverse it and close above it, then we are looking at the prospects of going to retest 241.33. So the probability of it retesting 225.53, which is a projection where it failed, is statistically very high. But it doesn't mean it's going to happen. In future, it may happen. Yeah, in future it may happen. In the very short term, it looks very high. Yes, very high. In the very short term and even short term and medium term, it looks statistically very high. That it might retest it. What of 241.33? Yes, statistically as well. Short to medium time range, yes, statistically very high. That it has the probability of retesting it. Okay, coming back to its 4 hour chart, let's see what we have. Okay, here on the 4 hour chart, given that it got a bounce yesterday the 25th. The algo seems to be suggesting that it might hold it up till the close of today's trading session, and after that, it might just go volatile with an accumulative bias. Yeah, yeah. Then maybe begin to, or maybe resume the downtrend from the 4th of December. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have. 201.77, 189.27, 181.54. Those are all downward projections. Here, as of yesterday, had 213.55, 221.19, 225.90. Those are upper projections. So the stock is, let's see now. Um, let's apply its market grid. It might give us trading ranges that it could possibly trade in the very short term. Let's see. Just since it doesn't have upper projections, the market grid might give us possible prices it could trade within. Okay, just slightly above where it is right now, 203.84. That's the highest we have. and the list is 189.98. Yeah, I don't think we're going to have anything on its daily chart. I don't think it would have reacted on the date. Okay, we have a couple of values. Let's see what we have. Yeah, here it's more ambitious. We have 216, 216. Let's see where 216 lies. Okay, 216 is below that critical pivotal projection of two, no, pivotal projection of two is below that the pivotal projection of 227, yes, below that. So we have the top of the range 216.27 and 184.29. So these are the uh, range of prices it can't trade within. It can't trade within, especially it's more durable in this daily charts. It's more durable in the daily chart. Let's see. The stock has been trending for some. Yeah, just started to trend not long ago. Let's see what we have for the stock. We have a couple of sentiments. Yeah. So the stock is trending as investors grapple with growing concerns about the company's AI strategy, specifically its deepening relationship with OpenAI and the substantial debt load the company has taken on to fuel its AI-focused infrastructure expansion. As questions well about whether the company may be stretching itself too thin, the stock has suffered notable price declines. Yes, as I indicated earlier on, showing some weakness within a lot of weakness within a longer term neutral to bullish trend, drawing in short sellers and driving short interest sharply higher. That combination has ignited heated community discussions about whether the setup could lead to a potential short squeeze or simply foreshadow deeper trouble. Within trading circles, sentiment is sharply split. British traders argue that the recent pullback is a textbook accumulation zone, citing Oracle's established enterprise footprint, booming cloud demand, and the long-term upside tied to AI workloads. They see the sell-off as emotionally driven, not fundamentally justified, especially if the company's OpenAI partnership continues to scale. On the other side, skeptics are sounding alarms. They point to concerns about the management's strategic clarity, the aggressive debt ramp, and the risk of misreading the competitive landscape. Some argue that the company is trying to buy its way into the AI race rather than organically earn its position, raising doubts about the sustainability of its approach. All of this is playing out against the backdrop of constant comparisons to tech heavyweights like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, companies with deeper pockets, stronger AI ecosystems, and more mature cloud infrastructure. Traders debate whether the company can keep pace or whether it's setting itself up for a painful reality check. With the stock now under pressure and the narrative increasingly polarizing, the company has become one of the most closely watched names in the AI sector, caught between expectations of a sharp rebound and warnings of a potential continuation of its downtrend. Okay, so see what you make of Oracle stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.